This video is all about the dollar store. Did some peppers and onions. Yeah, like that. That one's a little big. See how some of these are a little bit too big? You want to cut them down. We got yellow. We got red. We got orange. We got green. Come on, from the dollar store. Stop. Well, I take them. It's a 14-ounce package. It's called Pepper Stir Fry. It's 14 ounces. I put it in the fridge. I let it defrost. And then I squeeze out all the juice. I'm using 2 packages tonight. See, like that one? Chop that in half. There, they all look consistent. Now, notice there's how very little moisture in the bottom. Tonight we're using dollar store coconut milk. Looks like about 2 tablespoons. Alright, let's cook it up. And then we're going to add some chipotle peppers and an adobo sauce. Ooh, that sounds delicious, doesn't it? Alright, I was cooking it, and all of a sudden, the peppers and onions started to stick. So instead of throwing more coconut oil, they're almost done. We're going to use some of this adobo sauce. It's hot. I'll squeeze out as much as I can. I'll let them cook in that adobo sauce. Off to the side, have a bowl. And we'll finish cooking them in that adobo sauce, which will add even more flavor. So tonight we're all about the dollar store. All right. Nice and hot. All right. Quick pause for the cause. All right. Hold on. We did this. We're going to walk this up a little bit more. There's those chipotles. So pause for the cause. And there you go. I walked it up. You know where this is going. And guess what? This is the first time anyone has ever done this. I have to spend more time doing dollar store stuff because they're going to pay me a lot more. Do you know Google went and took all their people that make videos for them and said, we're not going to pay you anymore. So they got a bunch of people working for them that they stopped paying. So I don't get that, but oh yeah, I'm under review. I'm probably the only person on YouTube that did 6,500 videos. Oh man, that does look good. This is why Dollar Tree pays me. You gotta do something and make these people these big companies, corporations. If you're on my channel, you already know Apple stole my stuff. Hey, it is what it is. Get that ready for the next video. But I used 4 ingredients from Dollar Tree. It cost me $4, but I only used 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. There's many cultures that cook with coconut milk and find it like, whoa. So I guess you'd call this an Asian, Malaysian, whatever. Sorry, Clemente Jaquez. I did find a stem in my chipotle pepper. So that's why I like to pull it apart. But no one has ever done this, so that's why you're coming to my channel. Just like somebody I met today. They're like, oh, I want it. I was like, I've been doing it for 2 years, so join in. Make stuff that no one ever has eaten before in the history of the planet. Love you.